How are you all? I hope you all are doing great. Today we are going to learn about shapes. Are you excited to learn about the shapes? Yes, I'm also so excited to learn with you all. So before getting to the video, let's start the video with a little shape cheer. Are you ready? Can you all do with me? Yes. Clap, clap, tap, tap, tap. Let's find the shapes just like that. Can you all do with me one more time? Yes. Clap, clap, tap, tap, tap. Let's find the shapes just like that. Let's get into the video. What is this? This is a circle, and the circle goes round and round with no corners. Okay, what is this? This is a circle, and it goes round and round with no corners. Now we are going to sing a rhyme about the circle. Okay? We are going to sing a rhyme for 2 times. How many times we are going to sing? Yes, 2 times. First time when I sing, you all are going to listen. Okay? Second time, you all should join with me and sing along. Are you ready? Yes. Circle, circle, round and neat, like a ball or a big drum beat. Have you all listened? Yes. So this time you are going to sing along with me. Are you ready? Yes. Circle, circle, round and neat, like a ball or a big drum beat. Now can you draw a circle in the air with your fingers? Yes, let's try it together. Okay, all take your pointer finger and start from here, and we are going to draw now. Okay, so circle goes round and round, right? So you are going to start from this point. Come on, say circle goes round and round. Can you try one more time? Circle goes round and round. Good job. And the next shape is square. What is this shape? Square. And square has 4 equal sides and 4 corners. Square has 4 equal sides and 4 corners. Okay. Now let's sing a rhyme about a square. So first time you have to listen. Second time you have to sing along. Okay. Square, square with sides the same, like a box in the stacking game. Now can you all sing along with me? Yes. Square, square with sides the same, like a box in the stacking game. Now can you spot something square in your room? Maybe it can be your notebook as well. Can you spot it now? Yes, good job. The next shape is triangle. Can you all say with me? Triangle, triangle. And it has 3 sides and 3 corners. How many sides it has? It has 3 sides and how many corners? Yes, 3 corners. Very good. Let's sing a rhyme about a triangle. Okay? So first listen. Okay? Triangle, triangle, pointy and bright, like a slice of pizza, what a sight. Now can you all sing along with me? Yes. Triangle, triangle, pointy and bright, like a slice of pizza, what a sight. Now let's make a triangle with our fingers. Are you ready? Yes. Now all take your pointer finger. Now you have to draw with me. Okay? Start from this point and say 1, 2, 3 and done. Can we do one more time? Yes. 1, 2, 3, done. The next shape we are going to learn is a rectangle. What is this shape? Rectangle. Can you say with me? Rectangle. 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 Good job. And you know, it has 2 long sides and 2 short sides. How many long sides it has? It has 2 long sides and 2 short sides. Good. Now let's sing a rhyme. So first time you have to listen and second time you have to sing along. Okay? Yes. Rectangle, rectangle, tall or wide, like a door or a phone on the side. Can you all sing along with me? Yes. Rectangle, rectangle, tall or wide, like a door or a phone on the side. Okay, now can you all stretch your arm and make a big rectangle? Come on, all stretch your arm and make a big rectangle. Rectangle. Can you all do with me? Come on. Rectangle. Rectangle. Good job. And the last shape we are going to learn today is a star. What is this shape? It is a star. And it shines so bright in the sky. What is this shape? This is a star. Very good. And it shines so bright in the sky. Good job. Now let's sing a rhyme. First you have to listen, then sing along. Okay? Yes. Star, star, shiny and high, twinkle, twinkle in the sky. Now can you all sing along with me? Yes. Star, star, shiny and high, twinkle, twinkle in the sky. Okay, now let's twinkle our fingers like a star. Are you ready? Can we do it? Yes. Twinkle, 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 twinkle like a star. Can you all do with me? Yes. Twinkle, twinkle like a star in the sky. Good job. You all did so well. Now it's time for a shape guessing game. Are you ready? Are you excited? Yes. So now I'll show you a picture and you have to tell me what shape it is. Shall we start now? Yes. The first picture is, all see the screen? What is this? It is a slice of pizza. Now can you tell me what is this shape? job! Very good. What shape it is? It is in triangle shape. What shape it is? Yes, it is in triangle shape. Well done. The next picture is, what is this? Yes, it is a door. Now can you tell me, what is the shape of this door? Yes, it is in rectangle shape. What is this? Yes, it is a door and it is in rectangle shape. Good job. What is this? Yes, it is a ball. And now can you tell me, what is this shape? Good job! Yes, the ball is in circle shape. Well done! Very good! You all did so well and I'm so happy about you. Wow, you all did so well today. So today we have learnt all about the shapes, right? What are the shapes we learnt? We learnt circle, square, rectangle, triangle and star. Good. So keep practicing all the things whatever we have learnt so far. Okay children, if you like this video, give a thumbs up and share with your friends. Okay. And if you like this channel, don't forget to subscribe and come back for the next learning video. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.